Hi, today I will show you why I love 3D printing. I have a gutter here, and this pipe is 80 mm and this one is 110 mm, and I just quickly printed this pipe connector and it fits really nicely. All you need is just a piece of paper with great plan on it, Fusion 360 3D printer, 1.5 hours, and it is ready. Having the awesome sketch, it's time to open Fusion 360 and start designing. I started by creating two circles representing my gutter pipes. Next, I added a user variable called delta, which is the clearance so the pipe connector can easily slide on the pipes. Then I finished the sketch and extruded two cylinders to mock my pipes. I will use it later to verify if my connector will fit nicely. I edited the first sketch, added a few offset lines for the clearance and the walls. Now it is ready to be extruded. Finally, check using section analysis if everything is OK. I'm happy with the result, so I can export it to the STL file. Import it to Prusa Slicer. Orient the part properly on its flat side. Tweak a few printing settings. Slice it, verify if it will print nicely by going through the layers. Remember to always do it, just in case. Export the G-code to a SD card. Use my Prusa printer and some magic, and I can mount the part. Just remove the upper pipe. Slide the connector, insert the pipe again, and that's it. I can fill the hole and ask you to watch my other cool videos. They are right here waiting for you. Those are my best dress shoes, so don't laugh at me.